Lonnie in the car with me, man. We back in the car, man. We finna head to the car shop. Man, we about to go to the car shop. Come in car show. I keep talking about car shop. We finna go to the car show, y'all. Say we going to the car show, mama. You ready to go see the cars?
Yeah, what's that?
I'm about to show you. We almost there, okay? My dad there already, so we meet him there. But I ain't gonna lie, we right here. Oh, I gotta see where the hell we can park at. I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Hold on, give me a second. Yes, sir. Here it is.
Man, we was in the bathroom shooting craps. Why the fuck you got a gun? You ain't shooting yet. Their ass like, nigga, you through a rap. I was like, Carter, you know, but I'm through a rats. This shit gon' help us, that stupid rats. Yeah, nigga, you done what you doing, Jack. Why the fuck is you not chasing rats? And the bitch you just cut, she a super rat. P.S. she threw it back. Got love for my brothers that's moving that. Before 18, I had boots and rats. Stop paying cause niggas been through that. Stop paying cause niggas been through that. Stop paying cause niggas went through that. Cause niggas went through that. What you know about days when you down bad and you ain't got a new bag? Nah, little nigga hungry with the food at. Yeah, he finna mask up with a loot at. My nigga got a 40 with a red bang. But he banging the blue flag. But he banging the blue flag. I swear, but he banging the blue flag. I told my mama I got her, that's the reason I moved at. January got kicked out of school, around the same time that I got locked. Then I caught my own curse for the Glock. Still ignoring bitches' calls. My favorite hoe pissed me off. I'm with this other broad, and she ain't seen me in months. She won't let me get out my drawers. I swear she knows she a dog. Finna crack and drop her off. Them 40s gon' offset on the whip. Bitch, I'm finna take off. And nigga, you know I'm a dog. And nigga, you know I'm a dog. What you know about days when you down bad and you ain't grab a new bag? Nah, little nigga hungry.
We done made it downtown, man, but we gotta find my pops, y'all. Come on, mama, give me your hand. Hurry up, there's these cars. Wait. Come on, walk. Walk fast. Can't be walking slow. Look at her little butt and her little boots. Come on, get across that street. I'll turn the camera back on y'all once we get over here. Say hi, mama. Come on, baby. Y'all should have just seen that one. Now my camera wanted to record. Come on. There's so much going on. Come on, walk up. See that blue Jeep over there? The car show is just nuts, boy. I'm trying to see what my dad is. Come on, let me go. Come on. Where you at, Dad? I'm down here. I'm on Michigan Ave, like right here at the light on McKinley. Yeah. Yeah. Like say you coming from like the You in the back? What street on Jackson? Yeah, like like I'm on the street, I'm on feet. Oh, so you to the left? Okay. So come, okay, hold on, pop. So you said, and you, oh, so go left, go to the left. Yeah. Oh. No, I'm gonna keep coming though. I'm gonna keep coming straight though. Okay. Okay. You good? Stand up. Come on. Ooh. You know? Come on, mama. Ooh, you see that ZK? Y'all see that mud? Let me see. You see that mud? Ooh, that's my color right there. Come on, baby. Come on. They got some good old schools out here, y'all. No cap. Come on. Come on, this way. Okay. So he this way. Come on. Oh, I know who that is. Ooh, 2 SS's, a Pontiac. Y'all don't know nothing about them old schools. Jay got some heat. I ain't gonna lie. You don't wanna hold my hand? Her little coconut head, but don't hold my hand. She got a beam head. Come on, mama. They got all the old schools out. Come on. You don't even remember me from high school. I'd be seeing your ass in the hallway every day.
I forgot what's your name. I forgot.
Hey, what up, though? What
up, bro?
You good?
Rashawn.
Nah, Lando.
What's your name is?
Lando.
Lando?
Yeah.
All right.
I always see you walking by the crib over there on Southside all the time with your kid. Yeah. That was me. That'd be me outside. When I be like, what up? That'd be me.
Right.
Yeah, I swear. Oh, come on, mama. You ready? Your granddad down here. Come on, my. Come on. Yeah, they got some young. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Mine for sure.
I haven't seen too many. Oh yeah. I think he's had this since like 2009.
Come on, my. Put your shirt down. I think Mom probably came down here too. Come on.
Yeah, the guys, they went to get his car and they're gonna.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Y'all see these cars, man? Oh, they got a lot of old cars. No. Excuse me. Oh, they got. Come on, Mama. Oh, look at this. Really good. Sweet, I ain't never seen that like this. Come on, Mama. Can't find this coconut head, but I ain't gonna lie. I don't know where your granddad at. His about be moving. You know, he got his car. Come here, let me, come here. Come on, Mama.
All right, fam.
Mama. I'm trying to. Hey, this is a Corvette, nuts. Come here. Stay right here. Wait. I think he's there, y'all. I don't know where the hell my dad parked at. He said, come down. Come on. Come on, baby. They got some big. Oh, y'all can just front of us. Y'all go in front of us. Cause she gonna have me walking slow. Come on, mama. Yeah. See all these cars? She like, yeah, all these cars. Thank you. Come on, mama. Say, excuse me. Come on, mama. Come on. I got the people up there chilling at the top, watching the show go by. They chilling. Got Lonnie little butt right here with me. She's so confused on the car show. Oh, alright, I get you. Lonnie. You don't know what's going on? Huh? You confused? Why you broke that too? Come on. She said she don't know what's going on, y'all. But they got some fire cars out here today. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to find my dad. Y'all know he be all over the place. He's crazy, but I'm gonna turn the camera back on as soon as we get with him, though. We gonna find him. I can't, you know, multitask. Or I can, but I got my little one. Hold on. Yes, sir. Yes.
Man, we was in the bathroom shooting craps. How the fuck you got a gun, you ain't shooting yet? Their ass like, nigga, you through a rap. I was like, Carter, you know, but I'm through a rats. This shit gon' help us, that stupid rats. Yeah, nigga, you done what you doing, Jack. Why the fuck is you not chasing rats? And the bitch you just cut shit, a super rap. P.S. she threw it back. Got love for my brothers that's moving that. Before 18, I had boots and rats. Stop paying cause niggas been through that. Stop paying cause niggas been through that. Stop paying cause niggas went through that. Cause niggas went through that. What you know about days when you down bad and you ain't grab a new bag? Nah, little nigga hungry with the food at. Yeah, he finna mask up with a loot at. My nigga got a 40 with a red bang. But he banging the blue flag. But he banging the blue flag. I swear, but he banging the blue flag. I told my mama I got her, that's the reason I moved at. January got kicked out of school, around the same time that I got locked. Then I caught my own curse for the Glock. Still ignoring bitches' calls. My favorite hoe pissed me off. I'm with this other broad, and she ain't seen me in months. She won't let me get on my drawers. I swear she knows she a dog. Finna crack and drop her off. Them 40s gon' offset on the whip, bitch, I'm finna take off. And nigga, you know I'm a dog. And nigga, you know I'm a dog. What you know about days when you down bad and you ain't grab a new bag? Nah, little nigga hungry.